Hello everyone, welcome to another episode. Thanks for watching. My name's Dom. Today we're actually going to talk about how I managed to get 113% gains this year on my portfolio. So I'm going to go into that. I invest in both crypto and the stock market, mainly the US stock market, but I have one Australian share, which is probably not the best representation of my own country, but that's the way that it is. So I'm going to break it down today. We're not going to talk actual money figures in terms of how much I've invested, but I will go through the buy prices and the sell prices and go from there. Maybe one day in the future I'll reveal how much it actually is. But what I've done is I've put together a bit of a, not a presentation, but a couple of graphs to actually break it down a little bit easier. So if we head over here to Canva, now if you're interested in Canva, I have a link in the description down below where you can get it if you're interested. It's totally free. There are paid options if you are interested. Now, on top of this, if you're interested to know how I actually track my stocks, it's really easy. So I put all my crypto and stocks on a app called Delta app, I think it's called, and it breaks everything down for me. And I invest on eToro. I have some shares on Stake, some are on Superhero. Things are just here, there, and everywhere, and it's too hard for me to manage them all. And this isn't a plug. I don't think there's even like an affiliate link or anything for Delta. I just really like the app, and every time I make a trade, I put everything in there. Whether I buy, whether I sell, everything's tracked on there. I can see exactly how much every morning, every night, or in real time, how much I'm making, how much I'm losing, and get an idea of how big or small certain positions are that I have and how they're actually going. So that's helped me a lot because I found when I was had it spread out through all these different accounts, it was pretty hard to track. And I prefer to buy on eToro. eToro is pretty affordable compared to Stake. I find Stake's a little bit annoying because you have to pay if you want to buy immediately and things like that. But at times Stake will have options for trades that eToro doesn't have. So later on down the track, eToro might, and then I'll start buying them there. Anyway, let's get into the portfolio. So as you can see here, this is the crypto portfolio. So I have Time Wonderland. Time Wonderland is an interesting one. I'm not going to get in depth on the stocks and the cryptos that I'm investing in there. Separate videos for another day. But Time Wonderland, there it makes up about 36%. One thing to keep in mind, you shouldn't look at these graphs, right, and think this is how much I've invested. This is how much it's ended up with at the end of the year. So a lot of these positions have grown into what they are. Ethereum we've got there is about 32%. VeChain is about 19%. Is it? Yeah. Dogecoin about 8% as well. XRP about 2%, and then SHIB makes about 1%. One thing I really want to keep in mind as well, this is obviously not financial advice. Some of these trades, in fact, were like YOLO trades, if you want to call them. They weren't based on any fundamentals whatsoever. And even the ones that I do believe that I invested in with fundamentals, I could always be wrong. And, quite frankly, in the time frame of just 12 months, I've been wrong plenty of times. Let's move on to stocks. So stocks, I've got quite a few different ones. Tesla is 67%. Yes, it has grown into 67%, but I've also gone pretty aggressive on Tesla. You've got NEO, which is at about, really should have colored these better, 11.3%. We got EVgo at around that 5%. Lucid is around that 5% as well. We got Lemonade, which is around that 4.1%. We got Rio Tinto, which is around that 3%. Volta around 3%, and then Hippo Holdings around 2 to 1% as well. Tesla, NEO, EVgo, Lucid, and Volta are all EV companies. Obviously Tesla and NEO and Lucid make EVs, and then EVgo and Volta, electric car charging companies. Volta's also got a few different other sides of their business, which is really exciting. Once again, that's a video for another day. And then Lemonade and Hippo Holdings are insurance companies, fintech companies. We got stocks and cryptos. So out of everything, my stocks make up around 84% of my portfolio. Stocks make up about 16% of my portfolio. Now, to be clear as possible, you're probably thinking, all right, well, how did you get to that 113%? Uh, while I said I'm not going to go into finances, I think it is only fair and transparent to show you the buy price, the average buy price, and the average sell price of each thing. So the gains and losses. So with Time Wonderland, my gains have been around 143%. Ethereum, I'm down 13%. VeChain, I'm down 35%. Doge, I'm up 126%. XRP down 40% and SHIB down 12%. Like I said, some of these are YOLO trades, but also on top of that, obviously Ethereum was a YOLO trade. I don't think anyone involved, but I suppose some people would invest into Ethereum with the YOLO trade. But there are some fundamentals behind some of these trades, especially VeChain. I'm very bullish on VeChain. But, I just brought two too high at the top, and you'll see that with the average buy price. So it's going to take time for those to get back into the positives. Or, like I said, I'm not, I can't tell the future. I could be totally wrong. And then here we have the average buy and sell price. So the average buy price is at the top here, and the average sell price is down here. So obviously I've only sold Doge. So Time Wonderland 761, Ethereum at 4,123. These are all US prices, by the way. VeChain around that 12 cents, Doge 19 cents, and then sold for 68 cents. So really wish I had gone a lot heavier into Doge. I think I would have really hit well above that 113%. XRP $121.29, and then SHIB at that 0.0035. Probably missed a zero there. We've got gains and losses for crypto. For stocks. So obviously I've got Tesla at 53%. NEO is down 21%. EVgo is up 15%. Lucid up 126%. Like I said, you're probably looking at this and going, Lucid's not up 126%. And when I show you the average buy price, you'll see that no, it's not up 126%. But when you take into account the average sell price, you'll see that's where I've got the figures from. I've sold some Lucid, for example, but I also kept a little bit, so that's why those figures are the way they are. Lemonade's down 41%. Rio Tinto up 5%. Volta up 3%. Volta, I want to keep note of as well. Yesterday, Volta was actually up 9% for me. I didn't actually want to go back to the 1st of January and figure out 2021. So I have actually counted 2021 from today, just full disclosure. In Hippo Holdings down 29%. Now, average buy and sell price for my stocks. So Tesla, my average buy price is $751. NEO is $40. EVgo $8.83. Lucid $20.27. And obviously my down below is the average sell price, which is $46.65. Lemonade is $66.80. Rio Tinto $95. Volta $6.81, and Hooper Holdings at $3.86. For obviously, you can go and check what the actual price of these is right now. I didn't want to put it into the video because if you watch it tomorrow, the price is going to be different, right? So I'll leave that up to your discretion. But in total, that brings us to an entire portfolio gain of 113%. The stocks and crypto, that's what makes up the portfolio. I actually have I actually, oh yes, I did. If we go back here, you can see total gain for stocks was 102%, and total gain for crypto was 176%. So I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm not a massive investor. This was really the first year that I really went heavy in it. And when I say heavy in it, I have invested for quite a few years, but this was the first year that I actually made it, a priority to research companies and research stocks, research cryptos, and actually base some fundamentals rather more fundamentals and less speculation on my decisions in investing. And it has proven to be it's proven to be unreal for me. And you know what? Yeah, maybe I got lucky this year. Maybe 2022 is going to be rough. Maybe 2023 is going to be even rougher. Who knows? But I'm going to keep investing with the fun with the way that I've been doing it, and hopefully I can double my money every year like I did in 2021. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, guys, this isn't. Don't look at any of these graphs or anything that I've presented today as investing advice. I probably wouldn't copy this portfolio today, but obviously through the year I invested in these, and many of them I believe in, and it's worked out great. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.